Hi there, my name is Jeffrey Brown. I'm a senior software engineer at MINDBODY and development lead of the Public API. Today, I'm going to show you how to use API keys. API keys replace source credentials as a form of client authentication. Now, there are many advantages to API keys, and of course, the most prominent being the ability to create multiple keys per account. If you should need to roll an API key, you simply create a new API key, deploy the changes, and revoke the old one. So now I'm going to walk you through creating and deploying API keys, starting with the developer portal. After you've logged into the development portal, go ahead and click Account at the top and API Credentials on the left-hand side. Scroll down and you'll see a brand new API Keys section. Click Create New API Key. Enter a meaningful app name. We'll use Jeff's Awesome App. You can determine whether or not the key is active upon creation. We'll leave it checked for now, and click Create. Scroll down and click Show, and you can see our brand new API key. Let's go ahead and open up Postman. Here we can see a standard Get Classes call. We've got a SOAP action header and a SOAP request body. Hit Send and see the call succeed. If we remove the source credentials object, of course, the call will fail, saying source credentials must be provided. Let's instead provide our brand new API key. We'll add a new header called API-key with the value being our key. We must also provide a site ID header since this was at one time provided with the source credentials object. Hit Send and again see the call succeed. Note that site ID must be provided. If we fail to provide it, we'll get an error stating site ID header is required with API key. Let's now see how you can revoke an API key should the need arise. Go back to the developer portal and hit Revoke. Click OK for the message stating this change will take effect immediately. Go back to Postman and we see this call fails with the message API key is inactive. We can also further delete the key by pressing Delete and again OK. And now we see the message API key does not exist. Note that API keys will still work even when the source password is changed, and likewise sources will also continue to work if API keys are revoked. Earlier in the video, I also mentioned that you can create multiple API keys per application. Right now that limit is 10. So as you can see, I create multiple API keys, all have a different key, and all work. Again, here is a successful call with a new API key. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out the documentation under the authentication page in the developer portal. Please note that API keys can only be used at this time with Public API, not webhooks or affiliate. Until next time.